This tutorial guides migrating from local to Spark management while preserving local settings. Connect your locally managed gateways to Spark management to gain centralized visibility and reporting while keeping full local control and moving settings to the cloud at your own pace. First, access the Checkpoint Infinity portal and create an MSSP account within it. Enter your account name and complete all the required fields for initial registration. We recommend using the MSSP MSP type to designate management responsibility and gain enhanced capabilities for Spark management. However, you can choose either type. If you are unable to select the MSSP option, please consult your distributor. Log in with your new account. As an MSSP, let's create the customer account. Open the accounts icon and select Manage Accounts. Create a new customer account. Enter the required fields. Navigate to the Spark Management application. A plan is a configuration template that you assign to your gateways. Click on Plans to create your own. Click New. Enter a name for the new plan to identify it clearly. Set up cloud services. The recommended Spark management preset is now visible. Here, you can change the preset to fully leverage locally managed. Open the drop-down list. Select Locally Managed. We will share this plan with the customer later in this video. Click Next. View a summary of your plan configurations. All blades are configured to be managed locally on your gateway. Navigate to Gateways to create a gateway object. Click New Gateway and select Customer Account. Enter the gateway name to identify the object. Select the customer account we created earlier in Infinity Portal. Select the local-based plan we just created. The gateway object is created. Copy the activation key. Log into your Gateway Web UI. Navigate to Cloud Services. Paste the new key. See the connection in progress. The gateway connects after a few seconds and appears in the Spark Management Gateways list as connected. You have connected your Quantum Spark Security appliance to Spark Management and managed all blades locally. Control the granularity of your blades and gradually centralize management through the cloud. For control toggle information, visit the attached video.